What's up, everybody? It's the 1B, and I'm back doing some video editing. I might seem a little bit lower. I got a new chair. I still have my old chair. The old chair is like Frankenstein together. I actually bought like 3 years ago. I bought an office chair. This is some weird tangent at the beginning of this video. I bought an office chair at and it broke about 8 months later. And I'm a big guy, but I got one that was like 1,000-pound capacity or something crazy. I was like, you know what? I'll get this. It was like on sale. Got it for like $300. Same price as any like gaming chair. So it's like this really nice chair. Breaks in 8 months. So I call them. I get a refund, and instead of getting a refund, actually, they send me another one. And then, it turns out, so then I got that one, and then I call, and that one breaks too. Same exact thing. There's like a fault in the plate on the bottom where it cracks, and it's where like two welds are together. And so I go to get my third chair, right? Like I'm like, at this point, like, just like give me a different chair, or like give me my money back. And so this company actually doesn't offer the office chairs anymore. They have a few chairs left on their website, but they're in the process of like clearance, right? Like everything's going. This company is typically a clothing company. They were doing really well, and they kind of branched out and started doing some other things. They're mostly big and tall. And so they give me some gift cards, and they're like, you can order whatever you want. And I'm like, can I get my money back? Because like I have to get a chair, and you guys are not really selling chairs anymore. And they're like, no. And so I'm like, well, I guess I got to choose out of the chairs that you have left. They have like some camping chairs, like some folding chairs, and I'm like, I'm not getting those. They had two like, I don't know how to explain them. They have four legs, like a normal chair. It's like a normal chair, but it's kind of cushiony on the top, and then it's got like a tall back, straight back. And so I ordered two of these, and I might have ordered three because they're clearance. One never shows up. One showed up and it was broken, and one never showed up. And then another one finally showed up. The one because one was broken, I exchanged it. They sent this one back, or they sent me the one that I have Frankenstein together, and they basically gave me my money back, and then they said just keep it or throw it away. So I went and got some 2x4s, and I like drilled in to the legs and like put 2x4s on them, and basically not only did I bolt the legs, because one of the legs was split. I bolted the 2x4 in, and then I just wrapped all the legs with duct tape. First, I actually wrapped it with duct tape before I even drilled into it, and just because I felt like they were going to split again. If it did it once, right, it's going to do it again. And so, yeah, so I have that Frankenstein chair, and the problem was it was kind of hurting my side, just above my right hip, and I have a messed up ankle and a messed up knee, and so like that kind of plays a part in it too. But this one is like, it doesn't really offer much back support because it's kind of a straight back, and so like there's no like lower back support to it. So I think that was causing some problems, and so I'll swap back and forth for a while. Like I really enjoy this one right now. It's more comfortable. I get to kind of kick back a little bit. I have a like a yoga foam rolling like tube thing that I use for stretching, and I put my feet up on it, and so I kind of roll my feet when I'm sitting, and so right now my feet are up on that, and it's really comfortable. And so I think that yeah, so I'm going to be a little bit lower when I'm using this chair. And that was kind of just something I was pointing out. I talked about this chair for 5 minutes. The question is, do I end the video or do I just go on with the video editing? You know, let's just continue. Let's go new project. Browse. Video editing. Video editing squared. New folder. Video editing The Witcher clip. So that's our folder, right? We're inside it now. Select folder. We're going to call this video editing The Witcher clip. Click OK. All right, we need to pick the Witcher clip is 0421. 21. Is it 21:33:30? Yep. All right, so we'll pull that one down into import. And then we're going to need to get this open. Video editing. We're going to get my YouTube end screen in here. It's kind of loading slow. All right, then let's pull this over into the timeline. Okay, so we have our clip in here now, our video inside the timeline sequence. Let me go ahead and turn this air conditioner off for now. You don't want to hear that. And let's go ahead and unlink these. And we're going to start here. This one we don't need. This is, I'll tell you what these audio channels are. So audio channel 1 is a mix of all 3 of the other audio channels. And I use this for syncing up audio if I ever kind of accidentally move these. And honestly, I've been just deleting them at the beginning just to get it out of the way. This right here is system audio. And it looks like, because when I video edit, there's some audio playing. And so that's what that's going to be. And then this third one here, the third audio channel, is from Discord, but I'm not chatting with anybody in this. In the video I am, in the video that I'm editing, in not this video, but the video that I'm editing in the video, there's some chat in Discord. So this is Discord audio. Usually if I'm playing games or something, that will be audio in there. So we don't need that one. So then we have this one. Let's go ahead and we're going to turn this down to, I like to turn it down at least, normally I do 2. We'll try 2. This one we like to boost to 15. So I always turn up my audio to, because I would rather you have to turn me down than not be able to, hear me and not be able to turn me up, right? So I try to give you an acceptable max volume so I don't blow your ears out as soon as the video starts, but also loud enough to where like you're probably going to have to turn it down a little bit. Let's relink these. Let's go ahead and click on delete tracks. So you right click in this space here. You can right click at any of these. And can you right click here? No. All right. Delete tracks. And you're going to want to delete, check this, delete video tracks, but it's going to only do all the empty tracks. So you're going to get video 2 and video 3, like these tracks. Those are going to be gone. Then you're going to do it for the audio tracks, and you're going to lose audio 1 and audio 3. Now you got just this. Okay. So now let's deselect. We're still linked. Very good. Let's go ahead and bring in YouTube end screen. Go ahead and clip that on there. Go ahead and move to that. Select it. We're going to turn the audio up on that as well. and then we're going to go to the beginning where we are. We're just going to play, see what it sounds like. What's up, the 1B? Why do I not hear audio? I might not hear it because I'm not on the right channel here. What's up, the 1B here? And as you can hear, what's up, the 1B here, and I'm going to be doing some more video editing, or at the very least, adding a end screen for YouTube to a video. Just slight hesitation in there. But is it such a slight that I just don't even need to worry about it? What's up? What's up? What's up? Like I'm making a kiss face there. All right, Control K splits the video. You're going to want to select the first portion. You're going to hold Shift and you're going to hit Delete, and that's going to go ahead and that's called a ripple delete, and that's going to pull everything to the front. You're going to be able to see that there's no gap here. Like it even pulled the YouTube end screen forward. There's a slight gap if you look really close, and that gap is from right here, and that's from the audio, the ending of this recording, but that's going to be removed anyway. Yeah, all right, everybody, I'll talk to you later. Peace. See, right there. So that's going to not even matter. So we're going to hit Control K again. It's going to split that clip. Select this portion here, and this is where you're going to really see, you're going to see this move up to this part here. And you can see the scrubbers on it right now. So you're going to hit Shift, and you're going to hit Delete, and then it moved it forward. And then you're good, right? So you're going to hit Control S to save. You hit Control M, and this is going to bring up your export settings. We're going to go ahead and click into this part here so that we can save in the right area right here. We'll call this new chair plus The Witcher editing, right? And we'll leave a -V1 that, and we'll save. And so you could hit export here and let Adobe Premiere do the exporting. I prefer to use Adobe Media Encoder. I had issues with Premiere doing exporting in the past, so I just don't even deal with it anymore. So I use Media Encoder. So you just hit Q like I did. This will load up, and then right here you could change the name. You could even mess with some of the settings. I've already done all that, right? So it's all set up, ready to go. And then I'll hit this button right here, which will start the queue. It'll start the encoding and rendering process for this video. And that's usually going to take, the time varies, and it all depends on the video, its settings, the length of the video, your system setup. It's going to be different for basically almost every video and every setup that every person has. So I'm going to hit this button here after the video, once I end the video. But yeah, I think that's everything. That's kind of the short process that I do. And while I hit this and start the rendering process, maybe you'll go and watch one of my other YouTube videos, and I'll talk to you later. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.